Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Cusp Adventurous. Alright, so today we're going to be selling a fake iPhone 15 Pro Max to the Eco ATM. Let's do it!
You've lost your phone.
Alright, for a little bit of context before we run over there, I got two phones right here. One is a real iPhone 15 Pro Max and one is a fake one. If you want to check the video where I compare that, check the link in the description or right here. Okay, but an Eco ATM is basically a phone like vending machine slash recycling machine where they go and they evaluate your phone to see how much it's worth, and then they'll either sell it or they'll recycle it. And so part of their whole scheme is that they take care of the earth, they'll recycle the lithium-ion batteries, and they'll make sure that it doesn't go and pollute the earth. Overall, it's a pretty noble business model, and so they have them at all sorts of grocery stores. I think they have them at like Kroger, Walmart. The one we're going to is at Walmart. So there's lots of options. You could say that this video is like us taking advantage of them, but you know, it's for the video, so it's okay. Don't worry. So we're gonna be taking this fake iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm gonna bring the real one too, and we're gonna evaluate both of them. And if it lets me sell it to, I will sell this to the machine. We'll see what happens. And then we got the real one right here. I want to see how much this values at too. You know, if it gives me a good evaluation, maybe I'll sell it. If not, I'm definitely not selling it. That'll be a lot of money. But I mean, just imagine this. I go and sell this and it thinks it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max and it gives us the value for that. This thing costs like 150 bucks. If it gives us the evaluation, that could quintuple how much it's worth. Which would be kind of taking advantage of it, but it's for the video. It's for the video. It'll be kind of funny. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll bring it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I guess they're pretty sophisticated, but we're gonna give it a try anyways. Anyways, let's get to Walmart. All right, we're going to do the Eco ATM to test out to see if the fake iPhone will pass as a real one. Let's go.
And I got a real one right here. We're gonna test the real one too, but let's do this. Here we go. Okay, price and size. Safety first, I understand.
Here's how it works.
Got it.
Do you
Okay.
have the device you'd like to sell?
Yes.
Contact the previous
Okay.
device you'd like to sell.
Here we
What
go.
brand is your device?
It's a box.
It's a great idea.
Let's get your phone ready
Okay,
for
it's
that.
ready.
I'm printing out a label that will help you keep track of your device. Then type the label. Then type, I've got it.
Okay. Very good, good. The real iPhone. Okay, here we go.
Label fresh. Just put it in the trash near the left edge of the screen.
Okay, thank you.
Next, connect to your device to evaluate its electronics and condition. Please take a minute.
Yeah, agree to those terms.
Unlock it now so I can communicate with your device. And then you can enter your password. Okay, now let's take a look. I'm opening my custom button without evaluating.
Oh my.
Look for the connector and dock your device onto it. I'll communicate with your device as part of my evaluation. Hang on just a sec. I'll make sure your device is ready to go.
Hey, what up? She's reacting. Here we have Jake react.
No one knows me. Jake's a ghost.
Now,
In both senses.
Oh shoot.
and I'll begin evaluating your device.
Close door.
Don't worry, you can still get your device back if you change your mind later.
And it's gone. Oh my. And it's gone.
And we're off. I'm currently evaluating your device to determine the model, memory size, features, and
What if it
condition.
trips it though?
I work fast, so this won't take long.
iPhone 15 Pro Max. Value $1,500.
Sign up to receive email about our blog post.
Out of here. Freak out of here.
I'm sorry, I haven't been able to find the device's unique ID number, so I can't buy it at the moment.
No. It doesn't work.
Okay, wait.
Don't forget to grab your device before you go. Once you've disconnected your device from the connector,
So, unfortunately, we were unable to sell the fake iPhone to the Eco ATM. While the phone looks identical to the original, the software didn't pass as the original, and it suspected the fraud.
Alright, now I'm going to be using my real iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're going to give this a test, see what it gives us at, see how much it makes it worth it. Let's see what we got.
I'm Eco.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
Here's
Okay,
how it
okay.
works. Do you have the device? Please tap the title. Look for it. Tap the camera that your device was lit. Tell me about your device. So, do all parts of it? Are the screen and up? Let's get your phone ready for it. I'm printing out a label that will help me keep track of
She's
the
ready.
device. Go ahead and take it. I'll take your label trash. Just put it in the trash. Tap the table
I'm kind of worried.
to your device. Next, I'll connect your device to evaluate its electronics and conditions. I just need a little help from you first. Now let's take a look. I'm opening my test compartment. Where I'll evaluate your device.
Oh no.
The baby.
Look to the
$5,500
connector and dock your device onto it. I'll communicate with your device as part of my evaluation.
Oh gosh. Oh freaking heck. Oh, do I trust it?
Are you gonna lose the phone though?
Guess we'll see.
Please unlock your device. We have trust. I need permission to communicate with you.
Is this your actual phone,
That
though?
your
This is my
device
actual
in selling condition. That, if you change your mind later,
Oh,
And it's gone. And you've lost your phone.
it's gone.
Ah.
I guess it's gonna give us
this
6.
won't take long.
What do you think, Jake?
It's 480.
480. Jake's gonna give 500. 500. Okay. Let's see what it gives us.
Did you guys know that ever since 2014 there are now more mobile phones?
She's reacting. She's reacting.
Making a good analysis of fun facts with cheesy facts.
Faker.
Fake out of
Faker.
Got that, man.
Sorry guys, I'm just freaking starving waiting
When
for
was
this
the
thing.
last time you sold a phone? Yo, do you want to skip this question? Or?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Dude, I said.
I can pay you. Sell it now
Ready?
and get cash on the
I'm
spot.
kidding, I'm kidding.
Dude, you almost clicked it by accident.
Return my device. Yeah.
Give me that thing.
Enter your email.
No. No, get out of here. Yeah.
No. And your phone is
Don't
back.
forget
phone
to
is
grab
back.
your device before you go. Once you've disconnected your device from the connector,
Wow.
tap I've got
That was nerve-wracking.
Quite a...
iPhone test compartment.
Okay. Well,
Overall, the evaluation was super low, and we failed to sell the fake iPhone. But either way, it was worth it for science. Anyways, now you know what would happen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace!